everyone! Welcome back to AI Build Vega. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes as I build my very own portfolio website using Next.js. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, this one's for you. So, what exactly is Next.js? Well, it's a popular React framework that gives developers some serious power. From server-side rendering to static site generation, it helps create fast, scalable websites and applications. But as someone just getting started, I'm learning that it's more than just that. So, I've been exploring Next.js lately, and one of the key things that makes it so versatile is its use of JSX. For those who aren't familiar, JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that lets you write HTML-like code directly in your React components. It's what gives React and Next.js their unique ability to mix logic and layout seamlessly. One of the things I loved about working with Next.js is how easy it makes routing and page creation. But of course, every project has its challenges. Initially, I was all set to stick with plain JavaScript, but in the end, I decided to dive into JSX. That's when I decided to give JSX a try. If you're not familiar, JSX is like a blend of JavaScript and HTML that you write within your React components. It's designed to make creating UI elements more intuitive, and honestly, once I started using it, I was hooked. After some thought, I decided to add 3 key sections: Home, About, and Portfolio. First up, let's talk about the home page. This is the landing spot for visitors, and I wanted it to make a strong first impression. I included a brief introduction and some highlights of my work to grab attention right away. It's designed to be engaging and give a quick overview of what's to come. Having these 3 sections makes the website well-rounded and easy to navigate. Visitors can quickly find out who I am, what I do, and see examples of my work, all in one place. It's all about creating a user-friendly experience that effectively communicates my expertise. I decided to include this to provide a deeper look into who I am and my journey. It's a great way for visitors to understand my background, skills, and what drives me. I've included details about my education, experience, and personal projects to give a comprehensive view of my professional profile. I added a YouTube video right on the home page. This video is a great way for visitors to quickly engage with my content and get a sense of my work. I chose to feature one of my latest coding tutorials because it gives a real taste of what you can expect from my channel. Finally, I added a portfolio section. This is where I showcase my work and projects in detail. Each project includes a brief description, technologies used, and a link to view more details or see it live. If you're thinking about building your own portfolio or just want to learn more about Next.js, be sure to stick around. I've got plenty more coding content coming your way. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the AI Bell Vega community. And don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated on all my latest projects.